In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tableau. So first, what is Tableau? Tableau is a leading data visualization tool that helps users convert raw data into understandable and interactive format through dashboards, graphs, and charts. It's used for making data-driven decisions, improving business insights, and presenting data in a visual manner that is easy to interpret. So who uses Tableau? So from small businesses to large enterprises, professionals in fields like marketing, finance, sales, and analytics use Tableau to analyze and visualize data. So it's particularly useful for business intelligence teams and data analysts who need to derive insights from large datasets. So now let's proceed here on Tableau. So when you create your account, you will be redirected to this dashboard. So I just created a free account. So now this is going to be your home page. As you can see, welcome to your Tableau site. From here, you can click on Upload Workbook, Manage Projects, Manage Users. You can also download the Tableau Desktop app and the Tableau Prep Builder. From here, you will see the favorites and recent section and also the accelerators section. In the accelerators, you will see pre-built workbooks. So simply sign into your data source or use sample data to get started. So let's click here on See All. So as you can see, there are a bunch of different pre-made workbooks right here, such as Salesforce Admin Insights, Salesforce Sales Cloud or Sales Pipeline, Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud Donations. So this workbooks is integrated with Salesforce. So we can scroll down. You'll see a bunch of different workbooks right here. So if you want to use this pre-built workbooks, simply click on Use Dashboard. So now let's go to here. Favorites. From here in the favorites section, of course, you will see all of your favorite workbooks or content. Next is recent. From here, you will see all of your recent projects or recent contents. Next is shared with me. So if you have items that are shared with you, it will be stored in this page. So simply get quick access to items shared with you. No need to search your inbox for a link. Now let's go to recommendations. From here also you will see all of the recommended contents for you. So you can check back to see new recommendations generated for you. Now let's go to personal space. So from here you can add content to your personal space. So just simply create a workbook or move your content into your personal space. So if you created a workbook, of course, you can add it right here on your personal space. Now the next thing is collections. So again, if you have created your workbooks, you can add them to your collections. You can also create new collections right here to filter out. As you can see, you just created a collection. Start building your collection. So simply organize your content or your workbooks to be assigned right here. Next is explore. So from here, you will see folders like this that are named as default and samples. So when we open default, you should see it right here. So the default project that was automatically created by Tableau. So this will be added a content if you start working on your workbooks. You can also filter out or sort out this one by clicking here, top level projects, all views. So as you can see, you can explore this. They have business charts right here, care spend, commission models, customers, economy. Let's just click here. We'll see that this is what it would look like. Now let's go back. Also select all flows right here. So you can see Superstore flows, all projects, all workbooks. And now let's move on to Tableau Pulse. So this is what Tableau Pulse is. So you will see insight summaries. As you can see, you can add metric definitions to capture the core numbers you want to track. So after you save a definition, you can simply adjust the filters to create metrics that you and your members of your site can follow. So to create a new metric definition, simply click right here in the top right. Now search or select your data source. Let's just select this, connect. You can now name it, add a description right here. You can edit the definition editing permissions, you can add values right here. You can also add a new definition filter. You can add time dimension, time comparison, primary, secondary, and options right here. So we're not going to do this right now. Let's just go back. I'm just going to give you an overview of all the features in your dashboard. So now right here, let's go to external assets. As you can see, they have this databases in files ready for you. So as you can see, they have sales target, sales commission. So these are pre-made templates by Tableau. And also select tables and objects. You can see it's right here. Next is let's go to users. So from here, you can add users to collaborate with you on your work by simply clicking on add users. You can add the users by username or import users from files such as Excel or CSV files. So right now, I'm the only user that's right here. I haven't invited anyone yet. Now let's move on to groups. So as you can see right here, it's just the same. So if you have users already placed right here, of course, you can add them to your groups as well. Next is jobs. So there's nothing yet here. You haven't added a job yet. Now let's go to tasks. Of course, we have not added any tasks yet, but you'll see it all right here. Next is data labels. So these are the data labels. So you can use these labels to classify data, such as certified, deprecated, extract, refresh failed, flow run failed, warning, sensitive data. And this is the description of how you can use these data labels. Next is site status. You'll see it right here. And of course, your settings. Here you can drag your image file to replace this logo right here in the top left. You can edit your start page, W Pulse deployment, WAI. Of course, you can connect to Salesforce. You can also go to your authentication settings, your bridge settings. You can add extensions right here. You can also integrate to Salesforce. You can integrate to Slack. You can also add connected apps. And from here, the mobile settings. So that's basically all it is in this video overview. So that is all of the features of Tableau. So simply play around and explore the Tableau dashboard and see how you can make your work easier. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.